All right, so today we'll be solving this problem from one South African past exam. Okay, it says we are given 2 raised to the power x times 3 raised to the power y, and it's equal to 24 raised to the power 6. Now, we can break this 24 to factors of 2 and 3. So 2 raised to the power x times 3 raised to the power y equal to 24 can be written as 4 times 6 raised to the power 6. Now, since we want 2 and 3, we can break this further. So we'll have 2 raised to the power x times 3 raised to the power y equal to 4 is 2 times 2, that's for 4, while 6 is 2 times 3, all raised to the power 6. Okay, so this can be written as 2 raised to the power x times 3 raised to the power y equal to 2 raised to the power 3. Right? When the numbers are the same, you can add the powers. So this is 2 raised to the power 3 times 3, all raised to the power 6. Now, if you remember power law in indices, it allows us to share this power to all the numbers in the bracket, power law in indices. So let's apply that. So this will give us 2 raised to the power x times 3 raised to the power y equal to 2 raised to the power 3 times 6 times 3 raised to the power 6. Now this will give us 2 raised to the power x multiplied by 3 raised to the power y equal to 2 raised to the power 18, 3 multiplied by 6 is 18, times 3 raised to the power 6. Now if we compare both sides, this is similar to this, and this is similar to this. So by implication, let's put it this way. Looking at the similarity, 2 raised to the power x is similar to 2 raised to the power 18. So it means that x equal to 18. And doing something similar with y, we'll have 3 raised to the power y equal to 3 raised to the power 6, and y equal to 6. So the question says, determine the numerical value of x and y. So the numerical values of x and y are 18 and 6. And that's it. So if you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe so that you can get interesting solutions to mathematical problems.